Okay, let's talk about how I go from this to the other picture. I use Saint Beauty makeup. First thing I'm going to show you is my contour. I apply this cream contour. The color I use is indigo under my cheekbones to my forehead. I also use it along my jawline. This just chisels out the features on my face that I want chiseled out. Now I'm adding a brightener. The color I'm using is Aura in between my brows, in the corner of my eye, my eyelid. Also, I'm going to use it over here, but I forgot to do that eyelid under my nose and along and on my chin. Now we're going to add my main highlight or a bridge highlight here. The color I use right now is also my camo highlight, which is Mango. I'm putting this everywhere else. I did not already put any other makeup, so I'm trying to keep it to one layer only. This is a cream makeup. It's highly pigmented. It moves with your skin. It works like a second skin. It's totally amazing. So I camouflage under my eyes with it and also used it everywhere else. Now I'm blending. I always start in the middle of my face and go lightest to darkest and move my way out. I always leave my cheek contour to blend last because I'm going to add my cream blush first. I'm using Plum today. I apply it right above my contour, starting from the outer corner of my eye and working my way back. Then I'm going to take my brush and blend my contour into my blush, and I'm working up and back towards my hairline. Next, we're going to go ahead and do eyes. I'm using one of our newer colors, Chai, today on the outer corner and into the crease. Also keeping it above my crease. You always want to do that, especially if you have hooded eyes. Keep your eyes open when applying crease colors, and this will help to make your eye makeup visible. Next color I also use Chai under my eyes. I'm using it like a liner. I don't wear a lot of eyeliner, but I really like to use my eyeshadow as eyeliner. Next, we're going to go in with Sedona, and I'm just doing the outer corner here, and then I'm going up into my crease and a little above my crease. Again, keeping my eye open when I get into that crease and above the crease. I'm also going to use Sedona under my eye too, again, layering it over the Chai to give some more impact, a little bit more dimension under my eye. I'm going a little further over than I usually do. I usually try to keep that from the outer corner of my eye into the mid range of my eye. Okay, next I'm applying a shimmer color. The other two were matte. This one's called Drift. I'm going from my inner corner. I'm going to pop a little bit in the inner corner too, just for a little pop of light. And then I'm also going to put a little pop of light, just a small amount, right on my brow bone here, we don't have to like put it everywhere and have all that shimmer, but just a little nice pop of light right there. So when you turn your head, you can see that. I am using Pink Dust Cosmetics Spiced Out Lip Liner, and then I'm going to use Pink Dust Cosmetics Angelina lipstick on top of that. This is a really great color. I love the color combo. However, it does not stay on all day. Okay. Curling my eyelashes. I'm not going to subject you to that for too long. And now adding Surfer Girl C-Curl mascara. This mascara really is adding a lot of volume. You can see here I'm doing the mascara hack I showed off the other day. Now I'm adding Rimmel Scandal Eyes 24-hour waterproof gel liner in nude to my under eye. That just helps keep my under eye open. It helps keep my eye open. Now we're adding a little bit of illuminator. I used Angel Illuminator today, high points of cheekbones, Cupid's bow, and the bottom of my lip. And now I think we are finished. That was super easy. That took only 15 minutes real time. If you're ever interested in this makeup, I can help get you color matched. Having the right colors is key for this makeup to work for you. So please feel free to fill out the color match link in my bio, and I'll be happy to help you.